In this tutorial, I'll show you how to share Google Drive files and folders. By the end, you'll confidently share any Google Drive file or folder in two ways: directly with specific people or with a shareable link you can post anywhere. First, we'll share with people. With your file or folder visible in Google Drive, right-click it to open the context menu. Click Share. The Share window opens. In the Add People and Groups field, type the email addresses of the people you want to share with. As you type, you can separate multiple emails with commas. Double check spelling here to avoid access issues later. Now choose the permission level for these people. Open the permissions drop down to the right of their names and pick one option. Choose viewer for view-only access so they can open and download but not change anything. Choose commenter if you want them to add comments without editing the original content. Choose editor to let them make full changes, including edits, reorganizing, or even deleting items inside a shared folder. If you're unsure, start with viewer, then upgrade later if needed. Once the right permission is set, click send. Google Drive applies the sharing settings and sends access to the entered email addresses. That completes sharing with people. If they don't see it immediately, they can refresh their drive or check their email for the invitation. Next, we'll share using a link. Right-click the same file or folder again and click Get Link. You'll see the link section appear. Here you'll set who can open this link. Click the access drop-down and choose between restricted or anyone with the link. Once restricted keeps access limited to only the specific people you've added in the share window. Anyone with the link allows anyone who has the link to open it, even if you didn't add them individually. Pick the option that matches how public you want this to be. Now click Copy Link. The shareable Google Drive link is copied to your clipboard. You can paste this link anywhere you need it, such as in an email, a chat message, a project management tool, or a document. If you selected anyone with the link, anyone who receives that URL can open it based on the access level you chose. If you kept it restricted, only the people you shared it with directly will be able to open it, even if the link is forwarded. At this point, your file or folder is shared. If you use the first method, specific people now have the exact permissions you set. Viewer, a commenter, or editor. If you use the link method, the link is ready to paste, and the access is either restricted or open to anyone with the link. If you need to adjust anything later, you can return to the same share or get link panels and update the permission or access level. Changes take effect immediately. To recap as you follow along on screen, right-click the item, click Share to add people and assign viewer, commenter, or editor, then click Send. Or right-click and click Get Link, set it to restricted, or anyone with the link, click Copy Link and share that URL wherever you need it. Your Google Drive sharing is now set up and working. For more step-by-step tutorials like this, subscribe and check out the other guides available on the channel.